Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 6th Subject Chemistry.
Hello children, welcome to your 6th standard chemistry class. We have completed chapter 3 fiber to fabric. Did you study the question and answer children? Did you complete the writing in your chemistry note? Okay. In this session, I have given you some multiple choice questions in that lesson 3 fiber to fabric. Try to find out the answer for these questions. Okay children? The first one is, which of the following is a synthetic fiber? Which of the following is a synthetic fiber? Answers are nylon, rayon, polyester, all of these. Nylon, rayon. Then second question children, which is the natural fiber? Which is the natural fiber? The answers are silk, nylon, rayon, all of these. Silk, nylon, rayon, all of these. Find out which one is the correct answer. Which one is the natural fiber? Third question. The cloths are made up of thinner and thinner strands called. The cloths are made up of thinner and thinner strands called. The answers are A. Yarn. Y-A-R-N children. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Then B. Thread. C. Fiber. D. Fabric. Cloths are made up of thinner and thinner strands called yarn, thread, fiber, fabric. Which one is the correct answer? Try to find out. Then fourth question. Separation of fibers of cotton from its seeds is known as. Separation of fibers of cotton from its seeds is known as A. Weaving, B. Spinning, C. Knitting, and D. Ginning. Separation of fibers of. Then fifth one. Jute fibers are obtained from. Jute fibers are obtained from A. Stem of jute plant, B. Seeds of jute plant, C. Fruit covering of jute plant, D. Roots of jute plant. Jute fibers are obtained from stem of jute plant, seeds of jute plant, fruit covering of jute plant, then roots of jute plant. Then sixth one. Number of yarns used to make fabric by weaving and knitting are. Number of yarns. Y-A-R-N-S. Number of yarns used to make fabric by weaving and knitting are A. 2 sets of yarns in each case. 2 sets of yarns in each case. B. Single yarn in each case. Single yarn in each case. Then C. 2 sets of yarns in weaving and single in knitting. 2 sets of yarns in weaving and single in knitting. Then D. Single yarn in weaving and 2 sets in knitting. Single yarn in weaving and 2 sets in knitting. Which one is the correct answer children? Find out the answer. Number of yarns used to make fabric by weaving and knitting. Already we have discussed about this in these previous classes. Isn't it, ma? Seventh question, ma. Weaving of fabric is done in. Weaving of fabric is done in A. Handlooms, B. Power looms, C. Both A and B, D. Techly. Weaving of fabric is done in handlooms, power looms, both A and B. That means both handlooms and power looms. Then D. Tuckly. Then eighth one. Which one is spinning device? Which one is spinning device? A. Tuckly, B. Loom, C. Circa, and D. Both A and C. Which one is the spinning device? Tuckly, loom, charka, are both Tuckly and charka? Which one is the correct answer? Find out. The ninth one. Which of the following is a plant fiber? Which of the following is a plant fiber? The answers are A. Wool, B. Silk, C. Cotton, D. Nylon. The plant fiber are wool, silk, cotton, nylon. From that, which one is the plant fiber? Find out. Then 10th one. The right time to cut jute plant is. The right time to cut jute plant is A. Mature stage, B. Before flowering stage, C. Flowering stage, and D. Any time after flowering. Cut jute plant is before flowering stage, and any time after flowering. Which one is the correct time to cut the jute plants? Okay, children, find out the answer for these 10 questions and study well.